ask yourself the question, were there moments that you can recall that you were telling yourself a story? Maybe there was a situation with a coworker, a partner, a friend, a family member, and something happened, and in your mind, you made an assumption and created a story about it. And the thing with these stories is that our minds are really good at making them up. They're really creative, but they're not always true. So it's good to do a little bit of a reality check, if you will. For me personally, a lot of my stories have been having to do with this new business that I started. And there is so much self-doubt and lack of confidence, really, that is like hitting me right now. And when I ask myself this question, I realize that the story that I created was that this business is never going to be successful, first of all. Nobody is interested, and this will fail 100%. And I literally started last month. So it's like the first few weeks I was super excited, and then the moment that you have to like stay consistent, there is so much self-sabotaging that subconsciously takes place that resulted in me feeling super demotivated, and just really didn't feel like putting in any work into my business anymore. And I'm just giving you this story as a little bit of an example of what these stories might sound like, and also what the consequences of them might be, and how they might impact us on a day-to-day basis. So because my story resulted in lack of self-confidence and a lot of self-doubt, that resulted in me self-sabotaging myself to the point where I didn't do anything for my business because I was already convinced that it's never gonna work. And of course that then will become a self-fulfilling prophecy, because if you don't put in the work, it will 100% fail. So for you, this might be a completely different story. Maybe it's not related to work. Maybe it's related to personal relationships or school or anything. So we're gonna get 10 minutes, really just free write as like much as you can. You don't have to share this with anyone, obviously, so be as free as you want to be on paper. And I'll keep